KTV ವೀಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು.
Good afternoon. This is Arun Acharya. I am president of Rotary Club of Zion Hills. Welcoming you to the health camp, mega health camp, which is being held here today.
Where it is going on, sir?
It is going on at Zion Hills Golf Course, where we have invited everybody, and we've reached out to the surrounding villages, made announcements, and there are a lot of people who come from villages. As of now, I think about 300 people have been screened. And if you look at this, we are doing 12 different types of screening. Everything, including cancer screening, as well as gynecology, obstetrics, children, pediatrics, ECG. So we're doing dental. Also, we are doing computerized eye screening for retinal diabetic retinopathy, which is a serious problem affecting a lot of people, but it's very, very quiet. You don't notice until you suddenly start losing your sight. So, hopeful that people will benefit from this, and I think considering the number of people coming, people are still coming, but we will have to stop the camp now. I think it's pretty clear that we'll have to have at least one more, maybe more in the coming months.
Villages, this type of camps, especially if you are organized in the villages, it will be more effective, sir. I think.
It will be. We needed a base. What we did was we invited all the villagers. We went around, we made announcements, we sent jeeps with posters and loudspeakers. We invited the villagers, and many of them have come.
How many patients are came for this in the blood? Approximate.
Approximately over 300. We don't know yet, but it is definitely over 300. And I think it will cross 400 maybe by the time we stop today.
In this camp, only health camp or surgery is also taken for the patient?
Surgery will be available from Ramaya at a discounted or cost or free. If they need a surgery, they can go to Ramaya, and we will help them coordinate with Ramaya, so they can go and get it treated at Ramaya.
Sir, in this Ramaya or medical or some other colleges, this health card and insurance cards is availability is there, sir? Star insurance and health cards, they are accepted for the surgery.
It is accepted. As far as I know, it is accepted. Also, government provides some support. So therefore, invite people to connect with us if they have any problem, and we will coordinate with the hospital and make sure that they get the benefit.
In this area, so many laborers, workers, poor people are there, sir.
Absolutely.
They don't have money.
Correct.
They are taking health camp, but they are not capable to surgery.
Yeah.
It is useful for this.
I think there are two aspects. One is surgery, and second is if they need medication, then that also will be an issue, because that may mean medication for a long time. We will try to do our best to see what we can do. We also are a club, but we will try our best to see what they can do, and we'll reach out to government and other sources also, because there is a lot of programs from the government to ensure that these benefits are there to villagers, and we'll make sure that they have access to this information, and we'll help them reach out.
What may be you are doing. This is what, sir? This mission is inside what?
So this is for cancer screening for women. So this is actually a bus donated by Rotary, and to Ramaya Hospital we have donated buses like this to Ramaya and Sakra hospitals, and these are completely they have computerized equipment. They can do highly sophisticated screening for cancer. And I think this is not generally available in all hospitals.
But
So here we are taking it to the villages And
it will better
I think
result.
cancer is terrible because it causes so much damage, and the sooner you detect it, the better. So with this, we are hoping that we catch it early so that people don't suffer adverse consequences.
Sir, you are the president of Bangalore, Rotary Bangalore, huh?
No, we have a Rotary Club of Zion Hills, Bangalore Zion Hills.
Bangalore zone.
Bangalore zone, but Zion Hills also has a Rotary Club. We were started last year. I'm the president now.
What is your good name, sir?
Arun Acharya.
Arun Acharya. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Good afternoon. Today I am here with Rotarian Arun, who is the Rotary President for Rotary Bangalore Zion Hills. Today, with the collaboration with Ramaya Hospital and Rotary Bangalore also and Zion Hills, we are collaborating for a mega health camp. We are pleased to see more than 200 people around this area have come for the various type of tests, and we are very glad that they are getting. This is part of the wellness program what Rotary is focusing on. We will have this camp in a few quarters from now. Every quarter we are looking at having this camp.
Sir, your designation in Rotary. What is your part?
I am an assistant governor for the
sir.
year 25-26,
26.
and I was also past president of Rotary Bangalore also.
Thank you, sir.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ದಿನೇಶ್ ಬಾಬು ಅಂತ. ನಾವು ಜಿಯಾನ್ ಹಿಲ್ಸ್ ಗಾಲ್ಫ್ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಅಂಶಾಲ ಗಾಲ್ಫಿಂದ ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಶಿಬಿರ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕ ಊರಿನಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜನರನ್ನು ಕರೆಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ. 2-3 ದಿವಸ ಮುಂಚೆನೇ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾಗೇರಿ, ಅಂಶಾಲ, ಮಾದಮಂಗಲ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೊಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೇಬರ್, ಅವರು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಲೇಬರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ಕರೆದು ಈ ಒಂದು 10 ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರು ಶ್ರೀ ರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದವರೆ, ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಂದ ಬಂದು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಉಚಿತವಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈ ಶಿಬಿರ ರೋಟರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರು ಜಿಯಾನ್ ಹಿಲ್ಸ್ ರೋಟರಿ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟವ್ರೆ. ಅರುಣಾಚಾರ್ಯ ನಾವು ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ರೋಟರಿ ಮೆಂಬರು, ಇವರು ನಮಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದರಿಂದ ಊರಿಗೆ ಜನರಿಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೇಬರ್ಗೂ ಸುಮಾರಾಗಿ ಸಹಾಯ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thank you.